How to get 1099 from Zillow Rental Manager. Follow the instruction. Log into your Zillow Rental Manager account. Click on the property you manage. Go to the Payments section. Look for the Documents or Tax Documents tab. Click to open the Tax Documents area. Find the document labeled 1099K for the correct year. Click on the 1099K document to view it. Download the PDF file to your device. Check your email for any notifications from Zillow Rental Manager. Look in your spam or junk folder if you don't see the email. If you can't find the form, go to the Zillow Help Center. Contact Zillow support and ask for assistance with your 1099 form. Thank you for watching.